Are you struggling to find the right job or career path? Are you unsure what skills to highlight on your resume or LinkedIn profile? Well, you can now use LinkedIn Career Explorer to help you with that. It's a free tool that uses real-time LinkedIn data to help you identify essential skills to add to your resume and LinkedIn profile. Match your skills to different career paths and jobs, figure out areas for skill development, and discover more about potential jobs and career paths. We'll learn how to use it shortly. But first, subscribe to receive a notification when the next video comes out. Let's get started.
Visit the LinkedIn Career Explorer website. Scroll through the explanatory infographic or click the Skip Ahead link in the first paragraph. Enter your location and job role. Then, the tool will display your result graph. Right beneath the job title, you will see the list of common skills for your role. These are keywords to include in your CV and LinkedIn profile. Each option card shows a similarity and a popularity score. To the right, you will see a drop-down menu to sort your results. You can sort your results based on similarity or popularity. Sort by high similarity to see similar roles with more overlapping skills to yours. Sort by high popularity to see transitions that are easier or more common. A lower popularity score with a higher similarity match indicates an unexplored career opportunity where you have the most skills in common. If the role you are interested in has a low similarity score, take it as an opportunity for skill development. Two other elements you will see in each card are skills overlap and skills to build. Click the little green boxes to see the exact skills the jobs share. If you click the links under Skills to Build, you will be redirected to relevant LinkedIn learning courses. In fact, you can explore jobs, employers, connections, and courses on LinkedIn to plan a career pivot action plan. Let's take a look at a scenario using LinkedIn Career Explorer. Sarah is a graphic designer and ready for a change. She needs to learn what other career paths fit her skills well. Here's how she could use the LinkedIn Career Explorer tool. She enters her information and notices that art director is one of the top suggested job transitions. She sees that the job requires skills such as brand development and corporate identity, which she has some experience with but could use more training in. She then reviews the current jobs advertised on LinkedIn to confirm job prospects and employers' requirements. She makes a note of that and proceeds to connect with people in the industry to learn more about the job. With this information, she creates a plan to acquire the skills and experience to transition.
So there you have it, the LinkedIn Career Explorer. It's an excellent tool for job seekers, career advancers, and career changers. You will find the link below this video. Try it out and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please note the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute professional advice. Do your own research before making any significant decisions based on the content of the video.